experience the world's biggest water fight in 2026, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to explain to you what is Songkran Festival and when is it actually celebrated. As a tourist, as an Indian tourist, can you also participate in that Songkran Festival? Based out of my own personal experience, I'll be sharing all my insights in this video. So guys, do not miss this video. Watch this video till the end, because for the people who have booked their Thailand trip already during April 2nd week, then you are going to have a lot of fun in Thailand, different type of fun in Thailand that not usually what you experience in Thailand about good food, nightlife, etc. But this experience, it will be a life remembering experience and you are not going to miss this out. So please watch this video till the end while I explain how you can make the most of Songkran Festival. But before we begin guys, I have to put this banner out again. So 98% of you are actually watching my channel day in and day out are non-subscribers. So please hit the subscribe button and support my channel. So first of all, I'll show you this particular dates. This is the official dates released by Tourism Authority of Thailand on when and where the Songkran Festival will be celebrated in Thailand. You can pause this video and take a screenshot of it, or you can pause this video and make notes out of it. Now let's come to the core topic. What is Songkran Festival? Now Songkran Festival is celebrated in Thailand, which is very similar to how we celebrate Ugadi in South India. There are references of Google stating Sankranti instead of Ugadi. But as I am from Bangalore, we celebrate Ugadi as a start of New Year, not the January 1st New Year, due to our own Hindu calendar. Now similarly, in Thailand, they celebrate Songkran Festival by splashing water among each other's face and body, and to beginning of the new year and new beginnings in Thailand. And also that symbolizes rainy season start in Thailand, that is from April end to October end. Now there is also another brilliant significance that I was just reading before making this video, because I myself did not know guys. The reason they splash the water or have a water fight is because to remove all the bad sins from the body and to start off fresh with a good start and to flush out everything whatever you may have done in the last 1 year. So this festival is very significant as a Thai person, and this is widely celebrated. Whole country comes together as one and celebrate this Songkran Festival. Now we know what is Songkran Festival. Now the core question, important question, because I got a lot of pings on Instagram as well asking about Songkran calendar and can you participate? Yes, definitely you can participate in Songkran Festival. I have been to Songkran Festival myself in 2017 during April 13th. April 13th is the main day when they celebrate this particular Songkran Festival. So if you are in and around Thailand, whichever province it may be south, west, north, east, whichever province, every year these calendar is announced like I showed me in my video, and the festival takes place. You can just go join the festival that is already conducted, and there are many important tourist etiquettes that you need to take care, which is also announced by Tourism Authority of Thailand. As you can see on my screen, there is a lot of tourist etiquettes guys, and we Indians need to respect the local rules and local culture before you even step into the Songkran water fight. So what are those? You can take a screenshot as you saw. You can take a screenshot and make a note out of it. Usually how it works is, there is already a big festival going on. You can definitely go and join. Tourists are 100% welcome for this festival. But when you want to enjoy, you would get the real enjoyment when you are a people of, like when you're a gang of 4 to 5 people or more than 4 people. Now I had gone with 2 of my friends in April of 2017, and yes, we had a lot of fun. But if you want to indulge with more people, or if you want to interact with more people, you yourself should come with a very big gang. And when you have like-minded people in that festival, certainly you can have a lot of fun and keeping etiquettes in mind. So this is one of the most happening times in Thailand. You would have seen a lot of things in Thailand, like in Pattaya, Walking Street, or in Bangkok, Nana Plaza, all those kind of fun guys. Trust me, this is the most genuine and honest fun and experience that you have in Thailand. It is very similar to Holi festival that we have in India. Now in Holi festival, we splash colors. Now they do not use any kind of colors in Thailand. They just take fresh water and splash on each other's face and body, and it is basically like a water fight. So this is kind of very different experience in Thailand, apart from the boring stuff, all these Mahanakon, Skywalk, all these attractions, Grand Palace, and a lot of repeated things that keep on going in Thailand day in and day out, and people want to experience all those boat parties, beach parties, and all that are in Koh Samui and Phuket, guys. But totally understand. But next time when you go to Thailand, do experience this outstanding Songkran Festival that happens, and whole Thailand will be on a holiday. So there's no work, there's nothing, everything is closed, everybody are enjoying out there, and every Thai citizen seem to participate in that particular festival. It is celebrated different types in different types of provinces, not that it is celebrated consistently with all the same style across Thailand. There is different types where people splash water in a different way, and trust me, you can have maximum fun out of it. It's just like celebrating Holi, like I said. So if you want a different experience just similar to Holi in a different country with so many strangers and so many foreigners, then you must highly include Thailand's second week visiting in those calendar that I spoke about, because you are going to get a all new experience. So I hope this video, guys, will be was very informative and helpful, because I got tons of messages on Instagram to make this video out. So that's why I've made, and I hope you make use of this time to visit Thailand and to enjoy the Songkran Festival, which is nothing but start of New Year in Thailand. So I hope this video was very informative. If you have any more questions, do feel free to ping me on my comment section. I'll try to address it. I'll catch you guys in my next video.